Looking at a pretty unsettled weather picture today as we kick off our Thursday of showers and thunderstorms in the map already this morning. We're going to be tracking those off and onto the morning hours, and we'll see even more of that coming in for the afternoon. So a couple of rounds of activity headed our way, and maybe some severe weather. There is that chance. We'll be watching for that possibility and some of the strongest storms. Not a widespread outbreak, but slight risk of severe weather headed our way for our Thursday. A line of storms really developing and filling in. This line at one point just a couple of showers popping up around 4 o'clock. Now it's a big, robust line of activity that's slowly trudging eastward. Not severe weather at this point with this line, but some downpours of rain. Quite a bit of lightning, as you can see there. That's headed our way by mid-morning. We're talking 8:39, 10 o'clock this morning. Those rounds of storms roll in. But right now, filtered sunshine to see at least some sun through the clouds to the east. That's live from our Lewiston auto camera from Austin. Temperatures there in the 70s. Here in the 70s. Also for Rochester, 73 right now. A light south breeze, dew point 70. That's pretty heavy air. You step outside, you feel it immediately. This is what we experienced all day yesterday. Really rich humidity, and it'll be with us for about one more day. This is as a cold front approaches, that'll trigger those thunderstorms, feeding on the humidity that is moving in on those south winds ahead of that. Beyond that cold front, though, we'll eventually get a break. But today, at least one more day in the really heavy humidity for the time being. 73 in Preston, Rochester 73. It's mid-70s in Osage, Decorah 73, and Red Wing 79 still at this hour. Pretty warm stuff. Thunderstorms to the west slowly pushing eastward. All of that at an approaching cold front. That's going to be the focus of those storm chances the course of the day. We are still in the warm sector of that system, but behind that cold front, then we start tapping into some slightly drier air from the northern plains and from Canada. But before we get to that, we have to deal with some thunderstorms, some slight risk of severe weather potential. That's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. Best chances noon until about 8 o'clock this evening, until about sunset anyway. Just before sunset, the storms will push eastward with that cold front. We'll have the afternoon as the more widespread severe threat time frame with large hail, damaging winds, and some heavy rainfall. A lot of humidity fuel those rain chances. Severe weather risk, quite a bit of that in the plains and parts of Nebraska. That's it's going to come up tomorrow, but west of us, and we're going to stay dry here with a quiet day tomorrow and Saturday. Even with rain chances, does not look like a severe weather environment for us. But future track. Couple showers to the west, weakening as they move into the area, but at least have a threat of maybe a brief shower or thunderstorm through the mid and late morning hours. Going to the afternoon, about 1 or 2 o'clock, we start seeing some stronger activity begin to build up. So big downpours of rain, perhaps some hail and some damaging wind gusts in some of those storms. Moving into that late evening time frame, about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, most of the activity will then move east of us. So scattered showers and storms today. A quiet Friday, a slight break from humidity. We'll have a lot of sunshine, and then the weekend some rain and some sun, but not as much heat. Low and mid 80s for highs. 75 for that morning commute. Little sun at first. Showers building in for a time, 75 degrees, a slight south breeze. Off and on storm chances this morning, more widespread storm activity this afternoon, 83 by 3 o'clock, topping out around 84, 85 today. So for our Thursday, not quite as hot, but definitely gray and unsettled. Here's future track watching that cold front as it approaches, again acting as a focus of those thunderstorms. Some going on this morning. A lot of those will weaken and fall apart, but then they'll redevelop at around noon and the early portion of the afternoon, migrating eastward with some heavy downpours and strong activity right to the evening commute until about sunset. And then we'll see skies begin to clear off after about 9 o'clock or so tonight. High pressure comes in. Mid 60s overnight tonight. Not as steamy or as stuffy as the past couple of nights. And then Friday looks pretty nice. Kind of a moderate breeze drawing in that drier air from the northwest. Less humidity in the air. Still mid 80s. A couple thunderstorms with a disturbance come in for Saturday. Off and on rain chances through the day. Some early, another couple pop-up showers in the afternoon on Saturday. But beyond that, Sunday looks dry and pretty comfortable, and then more isolated and then scattered storm chances for the middle of next week. Temperature tracker over the next several days, just a few degrees above the seasonal average. No 90s, just low and mid 80s in some cases, just a little bit above the seasonal norm. Mostly cloudy today. Showers, a couple of thunderstorms off and on, especially through the afternoon. 84 in Rochester, 85 Mesa City, a slight southwest breeze, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, clearing skies after those evening thunderstorms. Northwest breeze around 10 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, another couple of off and on shower and thunderstorm chances on Saturday. And then Sunday looks dry. Next week, more 80s and more of those garden variety summery thunderstorm chances.
Ted, you may be busy today keeping on top of those storms, but we always appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll be busy.